Hey everyone, today we are going to go through Bonefish Marina here in Marathon, Florida. Alright, welcome back. My name is Amy Promo and Thomas Garden. We're local real estate agents here in the Florida Keys. And today we're going to take you on a quick tour of Bonefish Marina. So let's get to it. Alright, so Bonefish Marina has lots of open parking right here on the street that's in Coco Plum. So you can park basically anywhere you want, and then you come down in, and that building right in front of us is the clubhouse area. And in there they've got like a little seating area, a little type of bar. You know, residents, they do like little gatherings and potlucks in this area, and also like mailman drops off your mail. And then upstairs in that building is where they have 2 bathrooms with showers, an open sitting area, and 2 washer and dryer combinations there. So the marina, it's a private marina located in Marathon, and there's about 48 liveaboard slips here at the marina, and most of them are like 40 to 50 feet long and say probably maybe like 15 to 18 feet wide. The control depth is about 6 feet deep, so you've got nice deep water. And on the slips you're going to have your electric connection. It's like a 50 amp service. You've got water and you've got cable as well. And then you've got complimentary pump outs, and you can do that on Mondays and Thursdays. And then also at the marina there is Wi-Fi available. So these slips are deeded bay bottom, and they're all privately owned, and you can rent them out. There's no boat ramp at the facility, and they don't have any gas or diesel available. And there's no like dry storage for slips, but you can see they have the dock boxes there for extra little storage there. It's just a really nice, clean community, and you know, it's great location there on the Gulf side, and you're close to the Waka Cut if you wanted to get to the Gulf, so you have really good boating. And like I said, it's just a really nice marina, nice clean water, nice facilities. It's one of the nicer marinas, I think personally, in Marathon. And then right up this way, they have like a little seating area, and this is kind of like at the tip or the mouth of the marina, and you can see the towers, Coco Plum Towers. It sits right next to this marina, and you can kind of see they've got you can see the fish cleaning station and the little pavilion for shade. But this is like the beginning or the mouth of the marina right here that I'm showing you. Alright, so that's our tour of the marina here in Marathon. If you have any more questions about the marina or any of the slips that are available for sale, just get a hold of us. And I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!